Hi and welcome to MRTV. You want to play Half-Life ALYX, but you don't have the right gaming PC. Now you want to spend around $1,000 and you're wondering what are the right components to build that PC. No worries, you came to exactly the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you the right components to build the best gaming PC for Half-Life ALYX for around $1,000. And all of this goodness is coming up. Welcome back again here to MRTV. My name is Sebastian Ang, and this channel is all about virtual reality. I'm bringing you unbiased and honest reviews of all the VR hardware, and I'm bringing you tutorials just like this one here. So if you're into VR, or if you're just getting into VR for the first time, this is the right channel to subscribe to, and make sure to click on the bell button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. You want to play Half-Life ALYX. Of course, to do so you need a good gaming PC, and that's what this video is all about. But you will also need a VR headset, because Half-Life ALYX is a VR game. So if you don't know yet which headset to buy, then check out this video, because in this video I'm showing you the best cheap VR headset for Half-Life ALYX. Now in this video, I'm showing you all the components that you need to build an amazing $1,000 PC to play Half-Life ALYX. If you have never built a PC yourself, don't worry, it's really easy. And in the description, you'll find a link to a tutorial where I show you step by step how to do so. All right, but without further ado, let's get to the components now. And we're starting with the processor. We're going for the AMD Ryzen 5 3600. This is simply the best bang for your buck. This is only $174 and you simply won't find a better processor at this price point. And this is the #1 bestseller in computer CPU processors on Amazon.com for a reason. A great choice. That processor already comes with the cooler that's in the box, and if you want to save another $50, then you can simply go for the cooler that's in the box of the AMD Ryzen 5 3600. But I would still recommend you to get another cooler, the Scythe Mugen 5 Revision B. This is a fantastic cooler, and it will make sure to keep your processor cooled down even if it's hot outside and even if you want to overclock it. But again, if you want to save another $50, then you do not need to go for the extra cooler. For the main board, we're going for the ASRock ATX motherboard B45 Pro 4. Now this is going to set us back $90. This is a perfect main board for the AMD Ryzen 5 3600, and it's even going to be good for the 4000 series, so for the next series. So this has some future proofness built into it. This does not come with PCI Express 4.0, but this is actually no problem, because that's not going to be a big issue for the foreseeable future. So a great main board for $90, and even you have 4 RAM banks, so that is a plus. Now let's talk about the GPU, the graphics card. Really important, of course, in order to play Half-Life ALYX and to use VR in general. I'm going here for the RTX 2060 Super, and here in this case it's the EVGA version. Costs $419, and this card is really nice. The 2060 Super is actually a new card, so this is not the 2060. This is the 2060 Super, which has 8 GB instead of 6. So if you would compare it with the 10 series, with the 1000 series, then this is comparable to a 1080, to a GTX 1080. So this will give you enough power to run Half-Life ALYX and all the other VR games that are out there. So at $420, this is really a good solution for your GPU, and this is the one that we're going to use for this $1,000 PC. For the RAM, we're going to go for 16 GB. That is enough for what we need. Of course, you can always go for 32, but 16 will be enough. And here we're going for the Munchkin enhanced 16 GB, and that's DDR4, and it has 3200 MHz. So this is fast enough. For our files, we're going to go for SSD only, for 1 TB SSD only, and not for a combination of SSD and conventional hard drive. We choose this because it's simply faster. If you want, you could always go for another conventional hard drive on top, but this is a first great start. And here we're going for the Sabrent Rocket Q, 1 terabyte, and this is going to set us back $120. For the power supply, we're going to go for a branded solution. We're going for the Be Quiet Pure Power 11 500 watts. This is going to set us back $70, but we want to go for quality here. We don't want to go for something cheap, which probably is going to explode later. So definitely invest that $70 and you can make sure that you have a PC that's going to run stable for the next few years. And in the end, we only need a tower to put all the components inside. Now here we're going to go for the Aerocool Rift mid-tower case with RGB, which is going to set us back $45. Now this one is good enough, but of course, if you want, you can go for a more expensive one as well. My favorite one, for example, costs $80, and I'm also going to put the link to that one that I'm also using in the tutorial down in the description of this video. So that's it. That's the best gaming PC for around $1,000 for Half-Life ALYX, and you're going to have big fun with it, playing the game and playing all the other VR games. Of course, you can also play your favorite flat games like GTA and Battlefield, and everything is going to run really well on that computer. Again, all the links are down in the description of this video. I would be glad, of course, if you use those affiliate links, and all the affiliate links are for Amazon US and Amazon UK. Again, if you have no idea how to build that PC, the link to a tutorial where I show you how to build a PC is down in the description as well. Now you're probably wondering, hey, why don't I just simply go for that $999 PC that I find on Amazon.com that also has the RTX 2060 Super? Well, let me tell you about these PCs that are already assembled. These guys normally don't put in high quality components, like the power supply unit is a very cheap one from China that might explode, for example. And really, they try to cut corners wherever they can, and you won't be really happy. I totally recommend you to go for the components that I've just shown you and to build it yourself. It's really not complicated, and you can be sure that every single component is high class and will work really good. Alright, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please do leave them in the comment section. I'm looking forward to answer them. I really hope that this video was helpful for you. If yes, give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV and if you want to learn so much more about VR, then subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.